What's up, you guys? It's Thomas Soup coming back at you again with another YouTube video. And today, basically what I thought I'd do is try to play What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong on all the instruments that I own. As of now, at least what I think I'm doing is this recorder, ukulele, piano, saxophone. I own sticks and a drum pad, so maybe that'll be like the beat to it. There's gonna be some clips of me like practicing each instrument just because I need to practice. At the end, I think I will have instead of just playing all the melodies individually, I'll combine them to make the song. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. So this is me trying to figure out the recorder. Well, this one and the automaton, I don't know what the notes are. So, I know, okay, let's just blow. I think that's a G. What am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna look up and see if there's like a recorder finger chart. Because like this has to go higher than that, right? Okay, so update, I found out that if you tighten your octave, I can go up an octave like, wait. So with that we have. Sorry, I don't think you can see the keys, but it's literally just a piano. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of warm up because it's always good to warm up. Dumb. I literally just searched up What a Wonderful World piano. Then I went to images because I don't feel like watching a video. That's that. Okay, now I'm gonna try bass clef. I have no idea what that note is. I wish I could read music. So they're both F. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm still struggling. I've got to do the first two bars separately. We just get bass clef. So I sped this part up because it's really boring and it took me forever to get it. So enjoy the piano sped up. So it may or may not be like 3 days later, but I think I've got it now, so. Why do I all of a sudden, I swear, once I turn on the camera. Okay, this is gonna be it right here. So obviously I'm speeding it up because I didn't get it that time. I don't know why piano was the hardest for me to get, but I'm about to get it right now, yay. That was the best I had so far. Some of the notes were kind of like not there, so I'm gonna try it again. New instrument, same day as last piano, new location. Hopefully I'm in frame. I can't find my music stand. Oh, new read. Okay, bear with me here. I literally haven't practiced this like for real in months. Bro, I can't even. Ooh, this is not gonna be a fun time. Ooh, yes, we love that for us. Let's get a little tuning action, you dig? A little flat. That side reading though. That's C, right? What's C? I'm literally dumb. I'm gonna get one good take and then we're pretty much done. Let's get a tempo. What did I do that? That C is not a good. Wait, let's add a run in there. Da 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 da. How's it go? That was a take. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. So we're done with that. T, so quirky, XC, Okay, so a few days of procrastination later, obviously you can see it's dark. This is my ukulele. It's a Luna uke. It's an alto, I think. So first I've got this book. We've got Mr. Greg Horn and Shauna Eisenberg to teach me. I'm almost done with this book. I've had it way long, like I've had it so long I definitely should have finished it a long time ago. I'm just gonna go through all the pages that I've already like read. Yo no sé D7. I know D but not D7. My trusty chord chart. This thing has got me. Let us see. Okay, this is hard. This is Raised by the Gypsies. That was Raised by the Gypsies, now Red River Valley. I think we'll just go ahead and move along. So I kind of memorized the piano part, so I've just been practicing in my head. I don't have sheet music. I just remember the sheet music from the piano. I don't know. Basically, I'm not gonna read anything. I remember the notes from the piano. I've been trying to add like little harmonies. And obviously the harmonies that are in the piano sheet music also. So wait. Okay, now I'm just just gonna try to get a good take. That wasn't good either, but I think I'll just call it a day. Yay, bad technique time. Okay, so I'm pretty sure at this point, literally like every single, every one of the instruments is on a different day. I actually had already thought I recorded this part, but when I checked back, there was no footage. Let's get a medi met. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. Frick. Okay, the next warm-up that we do is pair of diddles. Kind of good. That was probably my best attempt. I literally only know like a few things because when you learn an instrument at school, do you really learn it? I'll play this real quick and then I will get into like actually covering the song. We're done here. It's time to play the song right now. So I didn't really film an outro for this one, so thanks for watching. I ended up like turning the piano into a bass, and then I also turned the ukulele into a bass because I pitched it down. But hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.